Are you constantly thinking of how to stay in your customer's mind? We will show you how. You can easily do this through marketing or promotional magnets using Magraff's Mediamag. Can be done in-house in 3 easy steps. Just design your magnetic stickers in desired shape with your details on it. Print Mediamag in Pro 9542 or 9541. Putting your logo, message, and contact information on fridge magnet is an effective marketing strategy with much success and applicable for a variety of business. And cutting it with FCX 4000 flatbed cutter. Stick your promotional magnets on refrigerators, metallic boxes, tables, or anywhere. Start creating unique yet affordable promotional magnets now. To know more about full digital label printing and packaging solutions, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.